Hello everyone, I am Amanda from SOTON. Please allow me to present you Iwu SOTON Daily Necessities Company Limited. In order to make life more convenient, to make the environment better, from obscurity to industry leadership, SOTON is making continuous efforts every day. SOTON enjoys the three fastest transportation advantages of sea, land, and air in Yiwu, which is the world's largest market, and can provide customers around the world with the most convenient trading. Since established in 1994, we have always been loyal to our original intention and focused on the daily necessities industry. At present, SOTON can produce all kinds of drinking straw, disposable cup and bowl, single-use gloves, garbage bag, and Ziploc bag, etc. SOTON has more than 900 employees with a fully enclosed, dust-free workshop of more than 80,000 square meters, which has become the global leader in straw industry around the world. In order to allow consumers to use safe and reliable, high-quality products, SOTON not only invested hundreds of millions of dollars in the production environment, but also conducted professional design for all workshops and functional areas. Please follow me to the production workshop now. This is the food container workshop, which produce disposable cup and bowl, single-use gloves, garbage bag, and Ziploc bag, etc. This is the straw workshop. This is the paper straw workshop. This is packaging workshop. The packaging workshop is the last step for the products. This is the cargo platform. All the products will be delivered to our customers from here. At the same time, we have built a complete production process system, equipped with a professional R&D team, and set up the industry's first physical and chemical index testing laboratory. ISO 9000, ISO 14000, EU SGS, US FDA, and other related enterprise and product certifications. SOTON has not only formed a complete set of quality assurance management system from R&D to production and inspection, but also has undertaken the drafting and preparation of product standards such as Chinese national standards and ISO international standards in the straw industry, which has established a solid foundation for the quality leadership of SOTON. This is the SOTON sales office area. Over the years, SOTON has continued to meet the high-quality needs of the era and customers' requirements. SOTON has established one-to-one trading service system, and SOTON is now exporting to more than 100 countries and regions, capable of producing products that meet the needs of different markets. Bringing the best products to consumers is SOTON's first priority. As people pay more attention to environmental protection, biodegradable tableware becomes more popular. SOTON started to produce biodegradable products as early as 10 years ago. From biodegradable drinking straws, cutlery, to biodegradable tableware and bag products, SOTON is accelerating the progress of the industry through the accumulation of bits and pieces. We welcome everyone to become a partner of SOTON so that we can achieve a cooperation.